Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Motorola Moto G57 Power. So if you're using the 3.5mm jack, then what you guys want to do is check the headphones. So test your headphones with another device with a 3.5mm jack and make sure that they're working. You guys can also inspect this jack a little close to see if there's any damage inside of it, or maybe just something is stuck in it and the connection is not here. Now the same goes for the USB-C port. Then you just check for the charging port instead of the headphone port, because if your charging port is dirty, it can also block the connection not only from the headphones but also from the charger. After that, what you guys want to simply do is restart your phone. So press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now here we're gonna press restart and the phone is now restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what you guys want to do is enter the password if you have one, and then if you are using an adapter, even though you shouldn't because you already have the 3.5mm jack port, make sure you use either an original one or a certified one. You guys can also check another pair of headphones instead of another device and see if one of them is working. If both of them are not working, maybe check the two headphones on the other device. After that, what you guys want to do is simply update your software. So go over to the settings, and this also goes for the Bluetooth headphones, by the way. So we're gonna go over into the settings. Now scroll down until we see system updates. Here we click check for updates, make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection for it, and for me everything looks good. I am on the latest version of the software for my Motorola. But if you're not, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the update. Now moving on to the Bluetooth headphones. So this was the first step. We're gonna go over to settings and then go to connected devices. Here we're gonna go to connection preferences and select Bluetooth. As you guys can see, my Bluetooth is already turned off, but we simply need to restart it. So my Bluetooth is enabled, now it's disabled and enabled again. So that was a quick restart. If you have your headphones paired already, what you guys want to do is forget them and repair them. So it works differently for every single type of Bluetooth device that you're trying to connect. Of course, it also works differently for the headphones. So no help from me here, I cannot do that. Now, if you guys have a problem with connecting them, then make sure that you charge them fully. Once I've had a situation where my headphones were at 60% and they wouldn't connect, but once I charged them up to 100, they connected without any issues. So after that, what you guys want to do is avoid device interference. And what I mean by that is if you have the same device paired to, let's say you have your headphones paired to two devices, maybe one of them is simply stealing the connection. So if it's not connecting to your Motorola, maybe it's connecting to your tablet, another phone, or anything else. Make sure to go and check that out and see if that fixes the issue. Now, as a last resort, what you guys want to do is simply go over and scroll down until you guys see system. Here we're gonna go to reset options and reset mobile network settings. So right here, we need to enter our password, and here click reset settings. Now those settings are resetted. And the next thing we need to reset is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. But if we reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, we will forget all Bluetooth devices that we have connected and every single Wi-Fi network. So be careful with doing that. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.